Hello everyone, Creative Venus here and welcome to another beautiful tutorial. So today we will learn how to design this beautiful business infographic slide. It's very glossy, it's beautiful, so I hope you will like it. But before moving further, let's watch this video. HIPDF is an all-in-one online PDF solution where you can compress your PDF, convert it into different formats and protect as well. In order to protect your PDF, you have to encrypt it with a strong password, and for that you have to choose a file. So basically you have to select the PDF you want to encrypt, and it will take some time to upload, and once it is uploaded you have to enter the password. Make sure the password is below 20 characters and it is strong. Once you have entered the password, just press the encrypt and your PDF is encrypted. It is as simple. Once it is downloaded, you can open the PDF and you can type in the wrong password in order to check if the file is encrypted. Now let's enter the wrong password and it will give an error message. Now enter the correct password and the PDF is now open. So that's how you can encrypt your PDFs. So for more information about hipdf.com, just check out the links in the video description. So coming back to the tutorial, please subscribe to our channel, join the membership. It will really help us and support us in our initiative to help you guys in free PowerPoint presentations. So this is how we start the video. First insert this shape and zoom it or expand it. Now insert this rounded rectangle shape and place it to the left and fill some different colors so that you can easily select it. Match the height of both the shapes and subtract, and you will get a shape like this. Now duplicate it, again fill a different color and place it to the right of blue shape. Reduce its height and width and place it like this, and now we will again subtract it from the blue shape. And I hope you guys know how to subtract it by going to shape format, merge shapes and press subtract. So this is the first step and you will get a shape like this. So now we will fill a nice gradient color which is metallic in nature, and you know how to fill metallic gradient color. You need 6 gradient stops, and just closely watch the colors that I have filled in the gradient stops. So in order to get the metallic gradient, you have to use a combination of light and dark colors. So keep the dark colors in the middle and light colors on the corners. So that's how you can achieve metallic gradient color. Of course you have to try and move these gradient stops here and there, slightly adjust the colors, their transparency to get the desired output. So I'm taking some time here to adjust the colors. So now it's looking fine, as you can see. Also, when you fill gradient color in any shape, especially metallic gradient, if you apply shadow effect, it will look more realistic and it really looks beautiful as well. So now let's insert this rectangle and fill any color you want. We just need this temporarily to mark the area. Now we will draw a shape. Now hold your mouse and start moving it to the left by pressing Shift button, then to the bottom, then to the right, and take it to the extreme right, then again to the starting point, and you will get a shape like this. Just remove its outline, go to shape format, select edit points, and we want to slightly make a curve here like this so that it can hide behind this metallic bar, and we have sent it to back. Now just duplicate it and place the second shape like this. So we have flipped it vertically and sent to back, and now you can see it has started taking the shape of business infographic. Now we have to fill some nice gradient colors, and at the bottom you can see I have already placed a color palette which I will use. And if you want such color palettes, you can go to uigradients.com, or you can search on Google Images and you will find lots of options to fill gradient colors. So you can fill gradient colors by selecting the type. You can change the angles, move the sliders. So gradient colors give you lots of options, and you can adjust the colors accordingly, and it will also looks better than solid colors, but it depends as well what you want to showcase. Now we are applying this glossy effect, some kind of light reflection. For that you have to insert this rectangle, change the edit points and slightly make it curved. Now we have to remove its outline. And go to shape format and subtract it from the main shape. Now fill solid color. Fill any color. We just want to place it, and after that we will fill white color in it. So align to top, and it is now aligned, and you have to send it to back. Now duplicate it, flip it vertically, and similarly we will place it on this gray rectangular bar as well. So it is very simple, as you can see. Send it to back. Now you can select the white color and increase the transparency to 80 to 90%. And you can see that the effect is looking really nice. So keep on adjusting these gradient sliders until you get the best output. We will also apply this light reflection on the metallic shape as well, and for that you have to duplicate it, fill white color, and we want to subtract it For that, we will insert this triangle and place it like this. Again, we will edit the points and make it look curved. So it's very easy, you just have to move these points and now it looks curved. Slightly increase the height so that it covers the complete shape. Now select both the shapes, and what you have to do is you have to subtract. Go to merge shapes and press subtract and you will get a shape like this, and you have to align it with the metallic shape. So you can do it manually or use the align function. Now again, increase its transparency. So I've changed the color so that I can see it properly because it disappeared in the background. Now I've filled white color and you can see it's looking really beautiful. Now we will apply the shadow effect on these shapes, and for that you have to increase the distance, blurriness and transparency. Also, it would be great if you can change the color from black to something like dark blue. It gives much more realistic shadow, because with the blacks the shadow looks very harsh and it doesn't look realistic. So now you can see 50% of the infographic is done. Now we will insert some text. So this part is very easy and you can write any text you want. It can be steps, process, workflow, some stats as well if you want. You can write objectives. So this is basically a list infographic. Any item that relates to a list that can be presented in a list can be added here. What else you can do? You can also create a beautiful background behind this infographic and try to make it look more beautiful. So we have inserted the text. Make sure it is well aligned. Please focus on the alignment as well, it's very important. Now duplicate this shape, flip it vertically then horizontally and place it over this gray rectangular bar. Make sure it is aligned, send to back. Now we have to select both these shapes. Go to shape, format and press merge. Or union. Now duplicate this metallic shape, flip it horizontally and place it here. Make sure it is aligned. Slightly adjust the gradient as well so that it looks realistic on the left side. I want to keep it a bit light like this. So till now, I hope you have liked this business infographic, and it's pretty easy to create this design. It's not difficult. So now we will duplicate this shape and flip it vertically by going to the rotate options like this, and send it to back and align with this metallic gradient shape. So duplicate with the reflection shape. I mean, make sure you have grouped the items before duplicating it, because we are reusing the components, and that's the best part of PowerPoints. So we are not redesigning it, we just duplicating them and reusing these components. So these things really save time. And now we just have to change the color. Just select the shape, and now we will fill this blue gradient color. So you can try to fill light and dark combination of blues to make it look glossy. And now you can see it's looking really nice. And again, duplicate this metallic shape and place the third one here, and we will duplicate the first shape and place it here, flip it vertically, remove the text, align it with the metallic shape, send to back, and now you can duplicate the text and place the items. Make sure all the 4 rectangular shapes are aligned and distributed vertically. Now duplicate the text and align them properly. So till now, if you have liked my design, please subscribe to our channel, join the membership, hit like button. Also, you can download this slide from the G Drive link provided in the video description. So once you will open it, it will take you to a G Drive link, and there at the top there will be a download icon. Just press it and it will download this slide. But I would prefer if you watch this full tutorial and design it by yourself, then it will really help you, and then you can download the slide. Now we have designed this infographic. We want to design the background now, and for that we have used this dark background theme, and the kind of gradient we have used is radial. Currently it's linear, but I would prefer a radial background. First fill all the colors like black, then dark blue, and change it to radial gradient, and you will get a shape like this. So this radial gradient looks much more dynamic, more realistic, especially in the backgrounds. Now we want to apply some kind of effect so that there is some depth in it, and it should look much more realistic, more 3D, more glossy. So that's our objective for this slide. So I've just inserted the title of this slide, Of course you can do it, not required here, because every slide template is different. You must be having that top bar with your company's logo, so you have to follow that template. Now insert this triangle, flip it vertically, increase its transparency, and now you can see it looks like some kind of glass is placed on the business infographic. Now go to merge shapes and press edit points and move these points to give it a curved look. I'm just thinking how we can make it look better, because I'm designing it in the real time. I haven't designed it before, so duplicated it and placed it at the right corner as well. Reduce its width. So this way it is looking much better. Yes. So that's how you can improvise your designs, by trying and testing different things. So this is what I've done in the real time. Now again go to shapes and insert this shape. So this shape will give it a 3D kind of look. Send to back, and now you have to fill a nice gradient color matching the background. Just adjust the sliders, and now you can see the slide is looking really beautiful. So we have reached to the end of this beautiful business infographic slide design. I hope you will like it, and you should definitely try this design. So this is the final output. I hope you will like it. So please subscribe to our channel, join the membership, which is really important, and hit like, share this video with your friends, family, colleagues. So I will see you guys in our next video. Till then, bye bye, peace, and do not forget to subscribe.